how to fix error code 352, the restart operation failed, error fail restart on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error, then here are the possible solutions. And the first one is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Open command prompt Windows as administrator mode and here execute these three DISM tool as shown on screen. These three DISM tool execute in command prompt Windows: DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time, and follow on screen instruction to complete the process, and thereafter execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here under available device driver list, look for any problematic device driver having yellow color exclamation sign against driver. Find out, in my case, no any such driver found. Right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty drivers if found with yellow color exclamation marks. Close the window and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command as shown on screen to open hardware and devices troubleshoot. msdt exe id device diagnostic and click on OK. It will open hardware and device troubleshoot page. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically and click on next and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting of your hardware and devices. If any hardware devices in troubleshoot found, it will repair them accordingly. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run command box, type the command msconfig msconfig and click on OK. It will open system configuration windows. System configuration window will now open. Here go to services tab from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner and choose disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and click on the link open task manager. Manually disable your startup apps enabled in your system. First, look for any startup apps enabled in your system. Manually found out. If any enabled startup apps you will find, simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your startup apps enabled in your system. Simply right click on that and choose disable. After that, close the task manager window and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Your problem should be definitely be resolved. After that, restart your system. That's all.